Try sneezing with your eyes open. It's almost impossible. Why? Every time you sneeze, your eyes shut automatically, even if you try to stop it. A sneeze is your body forcing air out fast, along with pressure through your whole face. Closing your eyes is a reflex that protects them from that sudden pressure. Some people believe your eyes could pop out if they stayed open. That's not true. But the reflex still fires every time, just in case. Your body isn't taking chances. It protects your eyes before you even know you're sneezing. Like and follow for a new everyday mystery explained every week.